I'm Kandace Springs, and this is one of my signature artist sounds called Candy Sprinkles. And so I normally play piano, and this keyboard, it's been awesome because I can add all different types of sounds and a little more soul or color. So this sound has woodwinds and trombones, and so it's a lot of fun to mess around with, just endless with all the options you can use on it. This CK keyboard has an 80 input that I can plug a mic into, and it also has effects like delay, reverb that I can control.
The simple things you do.
I'm Kandace Springs, and you can find my sounds on soundmondo.com.